1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over there. Today is an exciting day. Gonna get our first dirt bike, man. Pennies on the dollar too. Got real lucky, so we're gonna hop on this one real quick. I got to throw some air in the bags on the Titan. Remote start. Some videos this morning, and the guy was running like a regular 110, and then a guy next to him was on a big bore. And one had a clutch handle and one didn't. Yeah. I was like, what? What is going on right now?
I don't know if that's called like the big bore kit. What
in the world is going on?
Yeah, so like you can...
You know, one thing I hate most about having lots of assets is you can justify keeping it, and 90% of the time you won't use it for what you keep it for. Yeah. It's more like, at our age, it's more like hoarding.
So at this point,
like I got tired of the four-wheeler being over at Boo Boo's house. We would use it to strap the camper tarp down. And then one day I was like, you know what? It's been sitting outside getting rained on. I brought it back home, took the fairings off, sprayed it, cleaned it up, brought it back to life, cleaned the carburetor, the whole nine.
Yeah.
Got it back to life. I'm like, yes. Because from over there, I'm like, dude, I think I even had to unseize the motor. I had to put a half-inch drive on the fucking crank and break it loose because it wouldn't do anything. It wouldn't like crank over. And I'm like, it's probably just seized. It was like, ah! And I'm like, hey, I just broke the motor loose. And the man is like, what does that mean? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my God, it's so freaking heavy. You grab my side, I'm gonna grab your side.
even lift.
They were in the middle of packing up because my buddy is in the military and he is TDYing, I guess, or he's got orders to go to another state. So yeah, I think this is a 2002 KLX. It's supposed to be a 110 series. He believes it's got a 136 big bore kit on it. I think so far I've only seen like 143 big bore kits on YouTube, so I'm not really sure what the whole big bore scenario, but it does run well. It doesn't have any issues that I can tell of. Maybe like 1 or 3 kicks to get it started off. I've never had a dirt bike before, and my son wanted one for his birthday, so naturally I don't think you can go very wrong with how much I spent on it. I only paid $100 for it, so I'm really happy with it. It will be interesting to add to the fleet, seeing as we already have the 50cc China ATV, V-Rod, Corvette, Mini Jeep, and now a dirt bike. So I'm pretty excited about it. It seems to have some type of pipe on it. I don't know if you're used to these types of machines. Tell me if this is a stock exhaust or not. It looks pretty stock, but it looks pretty intricate as well. 2 buttons. Wait.
I didn't.
Yeah, they're
Show me where the buttons are. These are the same.
Are they?
I'm not stupid.
All right.
Stop messing with us.
All right, man. Stop messing with us. I got it right here, right around the fence. It's freaking sick, dude.
You're lying.
What?
You're lying. There's nothing.
What?
There's absolutely.
It's right. No? All right.
Okay, we're not stupid.
Wait. Come here.
Stupid.
You gotta walk right behind me. All right?
We're not stupid, Daddy.
You're not stupid? All right.
Give me huggy. Oh my gosh.
Give me huggy. Kind of. It's an early birthday present slash he needs to grow into it, but I got a good deal on it from a friend.
My favorite color.
Yeah, exactly. It's your favorite color, man.
I thought you're not gonna get one because I already have the four.
We kind of weren't, but I got such a good deal on this, I kind of couldn't pass it up, even though Mommy was like,
I'm gonna go drive that. No. I'm driving the four-wheeler.
Mom was like, oh,
Buy me a couch.
buy me a couch.
No, but
We can
a
give Mom a
good
couch. It ain't no thing. Kawasaki KLX 110 with a big bore race engine kit. Super fast. I can't believe it's already this clean just from a pressure wash. All right, man, this thing cleaned up wonderfully. Holy cow. I told my friend I was going to sand it down and re-clear the fairings. He was like, nah, just pressure wash it and send it. He was right. So yeah, got it back home. Anthony's already been on a little bit. I've already rode it. We got to get some riding videos. I'm about to do the oil change, check the valve adjustment. It's got a smidget, just a little bit of chatter, which apparently is normal, but since it's a new bike for me and the family, I'm going to check the valve lash anyway because it doesn't take much to do that. We'll make a video for that, make a video for the oil change. Thing's a torque monster. It's hard to think that it would be a 110cc, so it more than likely does have a big bore kit on it. I think it's the 143cc. My buddy told me 136, but I haven't seen a 136cc big bore kit. But this thing will probably have no problem with me on it. So, hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to cut it here and start some work on it since I've already done the cleaning and fixed the carburetor, which had a little leak at the bottom of the bowl area. And we'll see you next time. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Got the dirt bike, obviously. Got the Corvette, the V-Rod, the Mini Jeep, the all 50cc China ATV back there. Make sure you subscribe because we edit, we shoot our own stuff, do our own dialogue, do our own directing. And hell, the sport really helps, and it's just one click. So we'll see you next time. Toodaloo. Bye-bye.